Lama, and in this video I'll be helping you to add lecture video or link in Moodle. It is very much easy. You have to go to your subject, and here I have already turned editing on, so I'll just off it now. When you are in the subject, you can just turn editing on, click there. Okay, once you're done, and you'll have here something like this. Okay, it will be pre formatted for you. So for you, what you have to do, you just have to click on this button. Okay, when you click, and you'll have here add an activity or resources option, click on that. Then you have to come down and go for URL. Okay, click URL. Once you click, then you write the name. Okay, like I have observation 6 questions, UUESTION questions. Okay, I have done this one, and here is bunch of videos, and this one is the one that I want to add. Just click here, and you have here link. From this link you have to copy this link and paste here. Paste, then just save and return to course. Now you can see you have that observation 6 question added, and now you can say turn editing off. And this is how you will be able to add video link in your course. Thank you very much for watching.